get off from it. But there's 3 different breeds. Here's the
Geez, things drilled right in here.
I thought you said something else. Well, I was standing on his tail. You didn't speak. There's rat.
no. This is a right-hand mill. Dad had a left. Over there in the... Yeah? Oh, yeah. And the one we've just bought is a right-hand, just like this one. Only the wheels have, they put them on the... And that's the pulley the guy made me. Oh, yeah?
Well, yours, Jack, was yours
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a chain.
makes a little more.
Look at it. Saw it. Yeah. You got it off, bud. You left his bottle area.
Yeah, I see.
Gone, you know.
Yeah. Did it? I was just wondering how to hook that. You've got it free again. I don't know how anybody could have
Yeah,
done it.
Ford Babbitt, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We Ford do it. All of them.
Do we have really bad surgery?
See, that's an old axle.
Well, I won't tell you it's not me,
Car.
because it is.
Ford
but,
rear end, I guess. It's a good system. I'll bet you never had
Well,
it.
you get
It's
logged,
a unit
bark with Luke.
that you tune it
Yeah.
up. Yeah, I'll tell you.
Line it up. He told me just what to do.
Is he in with the carpenter group now? No, I wouldn't go carpenter. I would say for here, yeah. Hold on.
I've got my ways made for those tracks. Make sure I don't mount that. And I put that up high just for the time. If you do have a problem, you can shove it up with a floor in it like that. A lot of them, the
I
people
can tell you
walk
the
on the
truth,
ground
Sarah
to work on the road.
Yeah.
Take the boards off.
You should have more.
You look at it, you don't think it's that long. That's a long career. You can't.
I wouldn't feel good about it. You know I wouldn't. I wouldn't feel good about
Bob,
it.
Is that a 20-foot carriage?
how long that
I
carry?
don't know. I don't know. I believe
You
that's
shouldn't have
20
got
foot,
double
ain't it, Bob?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, we had,
Oh.
I got this one, that must be probably about 21 foot carriage.
The Barb got
Poured one out there for now.
she had a doctor,
They throw those weights away to use to balance tires with. We use that in fact. He doesn't know.
You can't use that.
you gonna touch him?
Yeah, that's all up there. You got a guy that's a lawyer. Lawyer? Can't beat that, can you?
Richard Barron is B-A-R.
You saw
To get away from the house.
Sweet.
the well chain all the way.
How about your granddaughter?
Power.
When you hit that wall chain and it got them sawing just like that. Well, I was working, it would've got me.
I'm over there one day, and
I
it's
just
one of these
saved
Halloween
it,
nights.
paying a
It does
part
feed your
man.
mama.
Waiting for Halloween for the kids to come.
Now,
That was a horror.
now,
horror
come
story.
do that little
I've never done.
file out and that showed out on the file.
We went around.
I know a lot of them newer ones used there.
It's all like this.
Yeah?
What the British seen. So I said to Dad, well, I wasn't very old, but maybe 50. And I let it tip over on my shoulder. Dad said, now let's see you do this. He picked the goddamn tire like that. Uncle Bertie used to get a feeling.
9.
9?
Feet,
I never tried that.
But that didn't last long either. I've never had.
Yeah.
No, I told
He even had some of them you saw out there.
He might change. Used to give me a prescription.
Well,
Daddy, get in the booth. Yeah.
I know what you mean.
I had saw him for
Close
color.
where he got so big, I
When
would
Ed
have
Vincent,
trouble.
you know Ed Vincent?
Yeah, I know.
Him and Grandpa went in the partner, bought a mill.
You know what that's called?
That's right.
Just something.
The cable nobody was standing up. Yeah,
Down there.
so he went
Down
I
there.
guess.
I tried some.
But he was some kind of
That's pretty close.
argument over something.
Yeah, no, it's not
They
just heavy
didn't stay out
for
there.
seed,
That's when Uncle Bud
especially if
started his sawmill up out here and was looking around. Now Uncle Bud, he was quite a bougie.
grade lumber, you know.
This, I used to.
You were born, cut it up.
See what this does, Jack, is